nails done, cut your hair, run the extra mile, keep it slim so they like you.